What's going on, guys? So this is just a quick video on how to use the substring method of the string class. So let's create a substring project. So substring tutorial, there we go, and let's create a new class. Let's call it the same thing, tutorial. There we go. Right. Okay, let's make that window a bit bigger. Substring tutorial. Right, here we go, guys. So first of all, we're going to need a string to practice substring on. So let's just create the class header. Okay. Okay. Right. There we go. And let's create the constructor. Substring tutorial. Curly braces. Because every good constructor needs a pair of curly braces, as you know, hopefully, if you've been learning Java. Okay, so let's declare a new string called name, and let's initialize it in the constructor. So name equals Bobby doc holiday the third. Okay, there we go. And now let's make a method to test our substring method. Okay, so test substring, and there we go, some more curly braces. Name. Okay, let's call this result. So let's say result is of type string, and the result is equal to name, which holds Bobby's name, which is Bobby Doc Holiday the third, dot substring, and we want a substring. Let's say we just want holiday. So let's just count. So that's 5, 3. Okay, that's 8, 9, 10. So this is at index 10. So we want in character at index 10 to character at index. We want Y as well. So we'll need to put 17. Because that's index 10. Okay, so that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, yeah, that is index 10, guys, because, you know, that's 0. So 0, B is 0, 0 is 1, those B's are 2 and 3, Y is 4, space is 5, doc is 6, 7, 8, and the space is 9, and the H is 10. I probably shouldn't have given such a long name. And O is 11, L is 12, I is 13, D is 14, A is 15, Y is 16, and space is 17. But the substring class does not include the end index that you type in. So if we type in index 2, it will just give you the characters at index 0 to 1. So that's what we want. So let's check that's working. So let's compile. And I forgot to type a capital because string is not a primitive type. It's a class type, so it always needs to be capitalized. Let's compile. And let's call that method, and hopefully we'll get holiday. Yeah. What's going on? What have I done wrong here? Oh, I forgot to print the result. Schoolboy error. There we go. Results. Not in brackets. There we go. Fingers crossed, guys. This actually works now. This tutorial is going very well. So now, let me see. Oh yeah, there we go. It worked, guys. Holiday. So let's just do one more quick example. If we just want Bobby, let's declare a new type. String result 2 equals name dot substring. So we'll call the substring method on Bobby. So we want to start from 0 and we'll end at character 5. Or index 5 should I say, because Bobby, so that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is index 5, and index 5 won't be included in a substring. So hopefully this will print holiday and then Bobby. I nearly forgot to write print again. So let's stick that in there. There we go. Oh wait, no, result 2. There we go. And give it a call. Right, let's go to terminal, guys. Oh, there you go, holiday and Bobby. So that is how to use substring. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you enjoyed this video and it helped you. So take it easy, guys.